All right, I removed the first fuel pump out. I always start with the back driver's side first, so that way you could use a string to pull. See this one? This goes all the way over to the back. That hose goes over to the right side and connect to another hose. As you can see, they look different the way it's shaped. They never give you nothing that's almost the same. But this basically similar. Only thing I don't like is this little small ass holes here, but the connections are the same. Short, that's short. This is long, that's long. This is the same thing as that. That's how you could tell. So, but yeah, I'm gonna still put it in. I just don't like when they give me some stuff. I hate foreign cars. I don't see why people like this piece of crap car. But anyway though, as you can see, that's the new one, that's the old one. So they can't make them identical, look this, they the same height and all that. But I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do that. So what I did was I tied a string. This is the string here to pull this hose back through the tank to the other side so I could connect it. You see another string too. This string here I got on there because I gotta pull this back through to connect it up under here when I put this side back on over there. So, you could probably you could try to draw on it, put tape on it, whatever, so you can know what holes go to what. But what I do is I start on this side first. So I get everything on this side and connect everything. And then I go over there and I put a string on that side and pull the stuff through from that side back over here to connect over there. That's how you do that. But I'm just showing you a technique, So I've been doing this a long time. I still have to do this technique right here. I still have to do that. I memorize where what goes. I could take it all loose and put it back. But when you can't see it inside the tank and see how it actually go, don't do that. Do this right here. Start on this side, because you can't mix these two up over here, because these two hoses, the hoses that fit on this pump is actually this hose is gonna go to the filter unit. This one's gonna go to another hose that's already in there, that's already stationary. This gonna go over to the other side, connect to another hose. That's how that go. All right. Let me get back to work and put it all in.